is going to be your bestie because it looks like I'm about to finish this one. So I'm gonna do is place really good layer, not too thick, not too thin. You want to apply a little bit thicker or more when you're doing pointed backs or cluster crystal, but if you are doing a flat back, you want to apply it in that. Don't want to be too thin, it's going to fall your crystal like out. If it's too thick, it's gonna flood the crystal, so you want to give it like about a right amount of the condensed glue gel. So I'm gonna place the no white top coat, gel top coat on the top. All right, and what I'm using is super cute. It's the ocean blue, and I'm using some of this frame and beads. You can close it if you want to. Ah, it's so adorable. That's it. That's all I want. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. Alright, then so a lot of questions asked like how do you start with the crystal placement and what is the best way to doing it? And the best way to do it is just start with the centerpiece first. In this beautiful nails, I am selecting centerpiece as my big metal piece centerpiece right there. And then I'm placing all other smaller beads and smaller crystals around with that. And you make sure you do them close and tight together. So I'm gonna get another frame.
Lisa asked you, do you have to press the crystal down to keep it straight?
Yes, you're gonna wiggle in and press it down. You don't want to just let it like you don't want to just like place on it. You're gonna press it down gently, like wiggle a little bit to get it right in. Good questions. Thanks so much for bringing some good questions. I plate this one in, and then you place your beads. A lot of clients don't want beads. That's fine. You can edit beads on. It's to look finished. If your client's like, nah, I don't want it, then that's okay. You can go without beads, or you can place the beads on it. Some salons, some nail tech, some salons will charge additionals for the beads if they apply the beads on, because guess what, it take is more, a little bit additional is more time for you. So I'm gonna place this really close and tight to the centerpiece. And you see that I place them closer to the centerpiece. And then here is a super cute simple nail. So how much would you price and quote and charge the clients for this nails? If you have any ideas, what do you think is fair for you as you are a nail technician, or is right for you to be pricing it? And I will share with you. 25. Mika would say 25. Are you including the marblings underneath and encapsulate? Yes. Oh, gotcha. That's about fair, because it's $5 for marbling and $5 for the encapsulate. Because in this nails you're doing like 1, 2, 3, three techniques. Is marblings and encapsulate. Marblings on the 3 colors of the acrylic, and encapsulate your charms and your beads in your frame is another technique. So each technique, it costs like price, it's $5, so you're already doing it at $10. And then your designs with a really beautiful gorgeous centerpiece, and then your placements, frame and beads, so about $10 to $15. So it's about $20 to $25 is really fair. And then also depend on the salon locations as well. So